welcome back. On today's video, we have a special guest. Her name is not only Haley, but Lucy. Say hi, Lucy.
She's a little sleepy.
She doesn't want to be alone, so she is going to be a part of today's video, which today's video is Mother versus Daughter, Sephora Play Edition. I totally started forgetting.
I know,
again.
me too. And I was like, wait, what is it?
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh wait, I know this.
Now, if you guys are not familiar with what this Sephora Play is a subscription service. Now, we typically do Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, where we compare what has been, curated in a little bag for us after we filled out our profile. Now, as you guys know, on the Ipsy one, I switched my age in there and
the bag started to get way better.
Way better. So like I stand a fighting chance. Now with Sephora, I have no clue what age is in there, and we are fairly new to this. This is a $10 a month plus tax. So hi service. Can you focus on it? Okay, who else's dog uses their paws as little hand grippers? She literally goes like this.
And it doesn't help that her nails really need clipped really bad. I've been trying to clip them for a week now. And every time I clip them when she's sleeping or else she'll freak out. So I get like 1 or 2 done, and then she wakes up and she just starts to try and bite the nail clipper. And I'm like, oh my goodness.
Okay, sorry guys, we've tangented. But anyways, Sephora Play is typically more of like your smaller size samples to deluxe size samples. A bit more than you typically could get in store if they were to give you a sample. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get started with it. Before we get into the video though, if you enjoy seeing our unboxing videos, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. By the way, if I didn't already mention, because I've been sidetracked a little bit by something so adorable, Haley has her own YouTube channel, so make sure to check out my description box below for a link to her channel. There are 2 giveaways going on right now on my channel, which again, those will be linked in the description box as well. Y'all still have time to enter into those giveaways, so make sure to do so after this video is over. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing.
I already peeked under my box.
I have not. I literally just sliced it open. This is what the inside of the box will look like. Haley's already gotten into hers, so
here's the thing. It has a horoscope calendar.
And I believe this, it just talks about each.
The horoscopes on the front. And then the products.
Wait, you do also get a 50-point. Oh, yeah. Okay, here's my annoyance with this, guys, before we get into the actual unboxing, because you guys know I am queen of tangent. You get 50 Sephora Play points, so if you are Sephora Insider, Beauty Insider, or VIB Rouge, you can use those 50 points to add, but here's the thing, even though you can use it online, if you are trying, you've got to spend money. Yeah,
you got to spend at least like $20, $25.
Yeah, but if you already have like a little coupon code you're wanting to put in,
you can't add this.
You cannot, and that's a bummer.
Yeah, I feel like the best thing to do with those would be go to your nearest Sephora, find the cheapest thing in the store that you actually have some sort of interest in.
If you really want it, don't force yourself.
Yeah, don't like make yourself buy it. But like if you have something you're interested in and it's like affordable, then I would do that, because online, if you spend over $25, you can add a coupon code where you get like a free mini sample, and then plus you get your 3 other samples. So like, why would you just want to get 50 extra points when you could be getting like a little mini Marc Jacobs lip gloss? Like,
exactly. I went to use this the other day, not this one, but my last month's one, and then Hourglass has their new Liquid Vanish foundation. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. I'll just get the liquid foundation or whatever, and I'll use these points. No, you could only pick. So obviously I went with the Hourglass, which should be arriving any minute now. It's not even sealed. Was yours sealed?
No.
Oh, okay.
Here's our bag.
This is what they look like. It says open bag, pours out samples, high five self. Okay.
Okay, am I going first or you going first?
I saw. Okay. It's Laneige. Now, right here, I love this. This is a water sleeping mask. Okay, this is for your lips. I thought maybe this was a different scent. I have not tried this out, and like I said, this is a water sleeping face mask for all skin types. As far as, is there dimethicone? I can use this. Hallelujah! Yay!
What was that?
I don't know. I was watching, what's that one movie with that one lady? The grandma? The man that dresses as a grandma, not Doubtfire.
Okay, my first item that I pulled out is the Drum
Oh my gosh.
Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and Mom really likes this.
That's good stuff.
It's a facial moisturizer.
It's a really, really, really good one.
I feel like this should like smell very good in vanilla.
No, it's all
Does it
natural.
smell good?
No, it's natural. It doesn't have fragrance.
Oh.
It
looks really cute, like a little donut in there.
Lucy, we hear you.
She's like, I want to go play with my other toys. I don't want my duck. Mom brought down the wrong toy. Wrong toy.
Okay, so my next item is the Origins. Do you want to talk for me?
Put me in frame.
The Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I feel like I've been getting this in a lot of things. I think it was in Ipsy too. But this is really, really good. You can spot treat as well. So definitely like this.
My next item is what? Oh, this is the Marajo Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter.
I'm getting excited, guys, because I'm feeling around and it feels amazing in this bag. Okay, so this is the next item. Oh, it's the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer Water. Love it! Oh my gosh, could this be any flipping cuter? I have to try it and open you.
There's a sticker on the inside.
Oh, strength. Look at that. That's flipping adorable. Oh my goodness, my bag is killing it.
Okay. My next item is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It deeply exfoliates for a clear, radiant complexion, visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, it's in this bag. Like there's a little thing in the bag. If you want to open the bag, you can.
Here's my question on this, guys. I did give Haley, before I heard about this, I gave her my jar when I switched over to SkinCeuticals. But I was watching this one YouTuber, and I need to research it a little bit more. She's trying to start her own skincare line, and she had said there was actually something in here, her chemist said, that is like a formaldehyde. So, have you guys heard that? Because this was actually really good, and I actually enjoyed it until I switched.
I really like it too.
So, now I'm nervous about it and told Haley not to use it. Didn't know she kept using it.
I didn't keep using it. I have it just in case.
So I got to do a little research. If you guys heard about that, let me know. This doesn't say what the ingredients are, but had I not heard what that girl had said, I would say this was amazing. Sorry, I took over.
No, you're fine.
Ready? My next thing is Hum. Beauty starts within, daily cleanse. Helps clear your skin and body from toxins. Why are you laughing?
You said booty starts with the N and not beauty.
Did I say booty? I thought I said beauty.
No.
I said booty? You don't, this is not a booty wipe. This is a face wipe. Wait, what?
What?
It's capsules.
What?
You
eat it?
Yeah, it's dietary supplements. 6 vegan capsules.
Oh, what?
Huh.
You want to be back in frame? Is that when you're happiest? When you're like all the way
And it has
there?
1 carb in it. That's funny. What do you want, girl? Okay.
I probably want to go outside.
So that's interesting.
My next item is the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I like.
I've never tried that.
Okay. And you apply it after moisturizer. So man, I bet you get super hydrated. So it's a little.
You're pulling my hair, little girl. Okay, so
I focus on.
Shut the front flipping door.
Oh, wait.
I'm so excited. It's a Bite lipstick, and I love this.
What is yours then?
You got one too?
Yeah. That's what
Glaze.
I was like, ooh, about. Yeah, I got the same one.
I am so
These
excited.
are really good.
Yes. Like, I've heard so many people talk about Bite, and I'm like, psh, whatever. But no, that's really good.
Then you try them, and then you're like,
yeah.
the lipsticks are amazing. My last item is the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid Pro, and I'm assuming this is the charcoal one.
Yes, that's good.
So.
Ooh. Okay, so my last item is this
Oh, I got that.
Marajo hair stuff. So, okay.
You ever use those?
I do sometimes. Like if I get that Brumble Bar or whatever it's called, or not Brumble Bar. Bumble and Bumble. Yeah, I've lost my mind. Okay, your thoughts on yours?
I only got one makeup item, which makes me a little bit like, oh man. because I always forget to use sample skincare and hair care and stuff. I don't know if I'll ever end up using this. I did put all of my hair care samples in the bathroom, so hopefully like I remember to use them.
That helps.
But Lulu, so whiny. I'm really excited about the By Beauty lipstick because I love them. I'm excited about. I like this stuff, but I don't know if it's good for me, so I don't know if I'm allowed to use it or not. I'm excited about the cleanser. Mom really likes this, so I guess I can put that in like a travel.
You're gonna love that.
In like a travel thing or something. And then I like hydration masks, so I'm excited about that. But sometimes with overnight hydration masks, they break me out. So hopefully that one doesn't.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, y'all. The only thing that I'm not like over the top excited over would be this. If you guys have tried this Beauty vitamins, girl, we hear you. What? She's a talker, guys. You guys know I use Halo Beauties and the kiwi and the pink pills, so I don't know. This will probably go in a goodie bag giveaway only because I already have a bunch of supplements. I just keep restocking over here. But everything else for $10.60, I'm very, very, very happy with because everything, it's a decent amount. Some stuff will be multiple use, so very happy with that. So if you guys are interested in the January... I hear you. I can't concentrate.
I know.
I can't concentrate.
Look how big she is.
Yeah, she's gotten so big.
Oh gosh.
Okay guys, so that's going to be all for today's video. Let me make sure to give a notification squad shout out. Sorry the video was a little all over the place because we had a special guest that needed more attention. Okay, so if you want to be a part of the notification squad, it's really easy. Just make sure you're subscribed, hit that post notification bell 2 times, and leave a comment down below. #notification squad, #Team Hot Mess for a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today's notification squad shout outs go to Kristen B, Ella, Heather Kesty, and Waterski Mom. Let's do one more. Hillary Jones. Oh, we gotta do another one. Tia. I'm just saying everybody, but Tia. Okay, guys. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for being subscribed. Thank you for having your notifications turned on. And if you guys did enjoy this video, help us out and make sure to give a big thumbs up. That gets YouTube to at least say, hey, people might want to watch these girls' videos. Don't forget to check Haley out on her YouTube channel as well. She uploads, what, 2 to 3 times a week as well. Same here, Monday through Friday. I do 2 to 3 times a week at noon Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, you will, instead of beauty-related content, it's more of keto-related content. So make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget, the giveaways are still going on. And that's all, my friends. So until next time, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. You want to wave? Bye, Lizzie. Wait, hold on. Come here. Special guest. Bye. Goodbye. Star of the show.
Yes.